Kaliza, who is Deputy Director Mobilization. Honorable Mawanda is Director Mobilization. We have come as a very big team here. We are saying MK is our next movement president. How many support PLU? PLU is a lover of football. He has said we are just starting, because he had started visiting other areas, but now this time we are kick-starting, and we have started from Shema. We know football unites people, and we as Patriotic League of Uganda, we stand for national unity. So when we stand together, we shall develop. Honorable Badam, I have a message from General Moses Kainerugaba, our chairman, Patriotic League of Uganda. He has said nobody should shake you. We are going to fight corruption. He has said you are very protected. Let us chase corruption, a threat that has hindered the development of our country. Because whoever steals anything from government, steals the jobs of our youth, steals medicine from hospitals, steals what goes to schools, and even PDM that we talk about. So I want to tell you, he has said he's going to stand with us to fight corruption. We as Patriotic League of Uganda, you either work for us or you go home. We have a lot of patriots who are going to stand for us. We have a lot of patriots who are ready to work for our Uganda without any pay. If you can calculate office of the RDC, you have RDC with a vehicle. We have deputy RDC with a vehicle. We have two assistant RDCs. We have DPC. We have office of the DSO with staffs and the GISOs. Why do we say that they have stolen money for roads? Should we say they are not doing anything for us? So I want all of you to join with some local government, and we fight corruption with all the force. How many of you said they are going to fight corruption? Corruption die! I know, because we have our chief guest, who is Honorable Branham. He will read our message from Chairman Patriotic League of Uganda. We have come in big way. We have come in what? Big way! We have come in big way! Thank you.
Thomas Taiwa, please, the floor is yours. Turebe government ya tomechoresha ito mpira changu. Tunaleta zile mizano. Echakabiri nibashoba emizano mukize mu mnonge mnyeto na n'abakuru abo kwandi mirungi ahamagaraga. Ati wona kutera nkaka spread orana kamera yona yeregu. Abo kuba fit. Watireba. So nani mbashaba mugire michwe kandi honorable Thomas Taiwa, please, the floor is yours. Turebe government ya tomechoresha ito mpira changu. Tunaleta zile mizano. Echakabiri nibashoba emizano mukize mu mnonge mnyeto na n'abakuru abo kwandi mirungi ahamagaraga. Ati wona kutera nkaka spread orana kamera yona yeregu. Abo kuba fit. Watireba. So nani mbashaba mugire michwe kandi honorable tunagirire kutuza kurwaniza ubushuma. So tubarije mu bakire. Nebyo bingi mwebare kugira michwe nione imbaraganisa kuja mtuzagumiza muri twagire cyo skopo nanye bangabira ka t-shirt abatanyi miritima munterere ngaro ibanda mukuri turagirire tuze kurwaniza ubushuma so tubarije mu bakire nebyo binji mwebare kugira mitwe mwebare kugira ihorere kandi mukama abankumire nione imbaraganisa kuja mtuzagumiza muri twagire cyo skopo nanye bangabira ka t-shirt abatanyi miritima munterere ngaro ibanda mukuri abasuma baingi maziba bakwibaji imihanda yona bagiria olero bara nani shaba sekuperejenyo witogu kandi mukama wite mupero yu orunirwe taya yoro kubanza twagiro umugisha so nani shabare katumoreke rukundo tumoreke mukume wa Uganda yona atayebwa elukana iguru ryatayebwa nga onare ofadiru kwa bagambire omulimo gwo bampaire gwo improving service delivery mu byaro ebyaro emitwaro musanju na kakaga president ekaire nasindika sente mu byaro baita abasuma bakuzirya ate abasuma abo taimu yabyo okwiba ikire bagende inyera mugamba abasuma mugende adi onare ngakwembagambire lwetwonare speaker mukuru wange chairman wa PRU kandi CDF atwaire milioni 5 na ina cash tuleta nduzwa babusheni abankole 54 na ina milioni 15 tukuziwa winning team ya Ibanda milioni 10 cash tukuziwa winning second runners up busheni milioni actually that is first run up milioni 2 buli timu baile mwakole cup nizo milioni 22 milioni 5 za ba organizer bankole cup milioni 2 za ba referee bankole cup bona milioni 5 na zinga baziretan mwijuche wa PFF wa PFF bet taina chizi muna democracy taina chizi muna corruption agamba basuma bagende abasuma nola kuleme sentunguka so mwijuche wale kuija
Ndejo chimasa ngona kwa kine tukurondo mu government kwa ebyentuka government ya NRM neza kukurikiriza je akwane tumanya kukwera tike story kimwe tubaraka tibe uniyo government ekurata NRM kozero kwire bwayo konka NRM yane marire mirimo yayo PRU neza hamu tugendo mwisho tuza
turaba abayibanda mufuse bakabinyo tubulire
so kuritero mu group stage za turabire hona ibanda tinde timwe kwasa kutinga mu akore region abako mu group stage zora twizire tsinga hatujya finals kandi twenda ko rekenzi yona ompira okutizana abanyibanda ompira kwa nkore region kujyambire kurete kwataniza hagati y'abantu ata abantu ngamo bakwataniza bibanda nabacu kura kwena ka region hati twizire twaye babacumwe kugira ngo tukore tukaya ya region
ya preto tira muri box hano yano horko batere mitwe kipa ya kwata ya Nyesa Matofo kurenga Rosa Matofo yatenga mpira muri wa mnoga kulia halaine no harukulinga misinde chapa batwara